and it's an anti-inflammatory. So even if your throat or something's sore from all that, like that should help that too.
Yeah, stomach pain as well.
Yep.
It's locked.
Back to my dad. I'm going backstage. Love you.
Run double bicep.
What's good, people? I don't know what or how much you've seen of today. Did you get some clips on your phone? Maybe you would have seen some stuff from stage. Today's been a nightmare, in truth. I woke up at 5:45, throwing up violently. I thought this might pass. And then I woke up again, I think about 6:30, and threw up again violently. And then I woke up again at about 7:30, given that tan starts at 8, and I threw up just pure acid, bile, and then I had diarrhea, if you want the full details. So at that point, I thought, I'm pretty screwed. I don't know how I'm going to make it to this show. And there was a point where I was pretty worried actually about my health, to be honest. Obviously the body is pretty damn run down at this point. So to be doing that, in my head I was thinking, how many times is it they recommend that you try and take something down and you can't keep it down, that you need to go for A&E? So I was like, babe, can you check my travel insurance to see what we need to do? Anyway, Joe, bless him, recommended some IV drip, and I got an IV drip, or my wife ordered me an IV drip, and thankfully that actually brought me back to life in some way, or at least took me from about 5%, dead and gone, to maybe 45%. And I don't know the sanctions for just not turning up to the show, and I didn't really want to not do that, to be honest. So we ran down there quite late. I literally walked straight into the tanning booth. I then was told that they're calling us, and I had to walk straight downstairs. There wasn't really any time for any food or hydration today because I wasn't keeping anything down. I think I managed to have a litre or 2 litres injected into me, and then another litre I drank and I was just very cautious about my stomach. It felt, you know, very uneasy. So we went on stage. I obviously had no idea how I was looking or feeling, really. I couldn't get a pump backstage, understandably. It was a very strong lineup. I think there was 5 or 6 Olympians in there. And having reviewed the footage just now, I'm actually pretty happy with it. I think given the circumstances, given the improvements made over the last 2 years, I'm right in saying it is an entirely different athlete this year, which is cool. I think my physique, at least in prejudging, we've not gone back for finals because I'll come on to that, but I think it landed me in 11th or 12th out of 36, which is not bad given the circumstances again. And I think I can obviously improve on that next week, so that'll be the plan. But we didn't go back for finals, so I don't know if I actually get granted my placing, unfortunately. I'm not sure what happens here, to be honest, but I'm sure they will understand. After being on stage for around half an hour, I really was dead. I was back to 5% and I felt like I was going to throw up again. So we came home, I just had another IV drip, and now I feel a bit more okay. So that's the rundown. The only thing that I want to eat today is some meat and veg. So we're going to go to some healthy food kitchen, get some meat and veg, and then probably go to bed because I'm really, really exhausted. And we'll see what tomorrow holds. But that's it, guys. Tampa Pro, unfortunately, over and out. Not in the way that we wanted it to be, but I'm proud of myself for making myself go to the stage in that state. I'm proud of the improvements made, and we'll go on to next week with our heads held high, as long as the IFBB let me compete again. Peace out, people. I'm sorry it wasn't the ending we were looking for.